I will not beg Nigeria government for my freedom. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. My people, welcome back to Balabas G's. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to give us a follow and also run and subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification button for a quick update as it dey hot. Na so we dey bring and dey come. Hey, no be small thing o. They say kasala don burst and they say water don pass for inside that garri. We go bring am come for you as e dey happen. The news wey we dey get today be say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don give another blow to federal government, say no go beg them again for im freedom. If they like, make they hold am. When they go tire, they go still leave am. Okay, let's go ahead and read out the headline, and we will begin to read that wetin Mazi Nnamdi Kanu talk through his legal counsels. Pleading with Nigeria government to release me is an insult. The 10 leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. My people, let's go to the detail of wetin Mazi Nnamdi Kanu talk and how it take happen. So stay tuned. We will read and come outside for you. May you hear by your own self. The detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, has said he will no longer beg Nigeria government for his release after being cleared by Justice Binta Nyako in Federal High Court in Abuja. So this is the high level of what is going on in Nigeria, that Nigeria did not obey their judiciary system. Their court procedure is not working, and so Mazi Nnamdi Kanu unconditional release is what we are talking about, because he commit no crime by asking for the total freedom of his people. So this is a case of dialogue, but the federal government think that it's still in 1970 and 1960. You think that is that time that you can intimidate, you can fight. The Biafra you are seeing today are more dangerous than even all this country you are hearing. So if you don't know, you know it now. When you hear about Russia, China, people become scared. America, the Biafra you see today is more dangerous than them. So the federal government should rethink and do the needful by releasing Nnamdi Kanu and dialogue with Biafra. So this is a right way to go for this. So let's go ahead and read that what IPOB said today. They say IPOB accused Nigeria Supreme Court of backing Nnamdi Kanu detention and demand immediate hearing of Kanu's case, because they say the court have keeping quiet enough, giving them reason of being in holidays, reason of being in vacation, giving unnecessary reason. So we don't know the reason why they don't want to stand on their order, which they have given to release Nnamdi Kanu. They have no case with the federal government. But if the court truly want to implement or declare what they have said about Nnamdi Kanu, they should stand on their discharge of Nnamdi Kanu, saying that Nnamdi Kanu did not do anything. So, but here they still want to hear the case, and on the process they are still dodging to hear it again. So IPOB have accused them of being part of the detention of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. People, that's all we see am for today news. Let's go to the next update and see what is going on around the world as it dey hot. Now they bring and they come. They say for Port Harcourt, for one fuel station where they call NNPC, they say this fuel station, what they are doing to people is unbelievable. And anytime you are buying fuel, make sure that they do not raise your hose up, because immediately they cut the meter, you remove it from your car. Most times you may leave almost a liter of fuel for them, and somebody have captured them on a video which we are going to play for you here. For those who are driving car, so you watch this video and know how to go about anytime you are buying fuel. Tell the person who are selling the fuel to you not to raise the hose up before selling fuel to you. Okay, let's play you the video and we'll come back and continue.
My people, na the new update with this. Now, see this thing wey this guy dey do, when dem sell fuel finish, dem no dey comot oil for the hose. Now, when dem sell finish, dem go bring small jerrycan, then turn that one wey remain for the hose for that jerrycan. Now, that one automatically don become their own. Now, this one I dey see so, na the new update o. Now, if you buy 5,000 naira fuel, which is about 8 litre, meaning say no be 8 litre, because that hose alone, as that hose long like that, e take over 1 litre and above, meaning say no be 8 litres a buy, na either 6 point something or 7 litres a buy. So na be the thing wey dey now. See this guy now, see am dey turn him own, the other guy don turn him own, this one now dey turn him own. Now na wetin dem dey do. So if you dey go filling station to buy fuel, make you dey very careful. This na for Port Harcourt. Na NNPC wey dey for ShopRite for wey dey ShopRite Aba Road, na be this one now. I know why I call their name, because they don dey always scam us. Filling station for Port Harcourt dey scam us. If you wan know filling station wey good, use jerrycan. Most of them, when they wan turn for your, they lay on am, you go see say the thing dey read, but nothing dey pour out. So if you wan even buy, use jerrycan. Now see am, na be wetin we dey suffer for say we dey buy fuel high, yet na make you go just drive from here to here, fuel don finish. You go dey ask yourself.
Okay, my people, as you have watched that video, they see that that how the young man is raising the hose up in order way to reserve some inside the hose. Once the driver move, they will now pour it in their own jerry can and make some money out of it. But that is a high level of criminalism, because you've been paid for the work you are doing. So the owners of these fuel stations should take in charge immediately and get those people arrested and stop them from that high level of thief and criminalism they are doing to the citizens. Let's look into the next news we get for hand. No be small thing, no. They say the palliative where President Tinubu say he wan share, say people don't go locate the warehouse where they pack all those palliative, and they don't rob and finish. So if you expect say palliative go reach your hand, otilo, they don't finish am. We are going to play you the video of how people are stealing from this warehouse, packing bags of rice and running away. Some people, when they drop and they come back again and take more. So let me play you the video. We'll come back and continue that Nigeria has no security and they have no due process of everything. Everything goes wrong. So let's play you the video.
We get Nigeria. Don't be small. Don't be small. We get people. Oh, my small man. These are not carry ourselves, you know.
Okay, my people, as you don't see am, that's all we see am. Remember what happened during the NSAS? This is what distracted people from their freedom. They're still crying today, and the palliative, this thing that started in Lagos will also reach the whole state. Just be watching and see. This is Nigeria for you. Okay, let's look into the next Obonge news where we get for hand today. They say this man will be weak. He don't leave Port Harcourt to go Abuja. Go dey break people hearts, no be small thing. Mo read them out as they talk about. Nigeria Federal Capital Minister Wike carries out first demolition of multi-million naira duplex in Abuja. Hey, Wike don't send this one to village, no be small thing. They say Wike don't go for Abuja where they do a minister. He don't dey demolish people house for over there. We go put the headline, may you see am as it dey happen for that side as well. Okay, my people, no be small thing. No move go for the next news. Go read and come outside. Breaking news: Imo State Governor Hope Uzodinma unleashed thoughts. Armed policemen on Labour Party in Imo State. Official removing party ballot boards and the stickers around the state. No be small thing. Hope Uzodinma don change and give Labour Party. Say for this state where APC from back put me, una no go fit comot me o. And here is my own territory. So they say don't release thoughts, give them. And armed policemen wey dey remove their ballot board with stickers wey dey put for road around Imo State. This is what is going on in Imo State. Okay, my people, no be small thing. Una don hear the tori of wetin dey happen for everywhere for Imo State. We go ahead, go look into the next news wey we get for hand today. Nigeria call out Dangote for selling one bag of cement for 5,200 in Nigeria, while it is produced and sell in other countries like Benin Republic for 1,500. No be small thing. They say Nigeria don paros put for Dangote. Say why go dey say cement wey dey say for other place for 1,500 for 5,000 for your own country, and all the whole thing that use to produce this cement are being taken out from Nigeria, and end of the day we buy the cement high costly. Is it not in the same Nigeria we are? What is going on? They call Dangote to know what you will do about this. They say the people can't even afford building house anymore because of the cost of cement. My people, no be small thing o. Okay, my people, now so we see am today o. Now we say we bring your come aside. Abeg, no forget to share this video and also go and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on the notification button for more updates as they happen. We will bring and they come. Remember, say information na be the key o. Thank you.